Hey there, amazing friends! Welcome back to our fun learning channel. Today, we're going to learn how to write simple and compound sentences. Are you ready to become sentence superstars? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about simple sentences.
Whoa!
A simple sentence is a sentence that has just one subject and one predicate. That means it tells us who or what is doing something and what they are doing. Here's a clear example. The dog barks. In this sentence, the dog is the subject and barks is the action it's doing. Easy, right? Let's look at a couple more examples. I like chocolate. She reads books. See how each sentence has one subject and one action? They are simple but full of meaning. Next, let's talk about compound sentences. A compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences joined by a conjunction. Conjunctions are words like and, but, and or that help connect the ideas.
Whoa!
Here's a great example. I like ice cream and my brother likes cake. We have two simple sentences. I like ice cream and my brother likes cake. They are joined by and to make it one compound sentence. Let's look at more examples of compound sentences. The sun shines brightly and the birds sing. I wanted to play outside, but it started to rain. In each case, we are combining two ideas into one sentence. Now that we know the difference, let's learn how to write our own sentences. To write a simple sentence. 1. Start with a subject. Think of who or what you want to talk about. 2. Add a verb or action to show what the subject is doing. For example, subject, my cat. Verb, sleeps. Simple sentence, my cat sleeps. To write a compound sentence. 1. Start with a simple sentence. 2. Choose another simple sentence that relates. 3. Use a conjunction to connect them. For example, first sentence, I love pizza. Second sentence, my friend loves pasta. Compound sentence, I love pizza and my friend loves pasta.
Amazing!
Easy peasy, right? Let's quickly review. A simple sentence has one subject and one predicate. For example, the bird sings. A compound sentence connects two simple sentences with a conjunction. For example, the bird sings and the sun shines. You can try writing both types.
Good one.
If you enjoyed learning how to write simple and compound sentences, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun lessons.
Whoa!
What will we learn next? Stick around and keep practicing your writing skills. Have a fabulous day.